Which one's gonna be? Which one's gonna be? Snip, 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 snip. Which one's it gonna be? Which one's it gonna be? It's royal chocolate. Ooh. I'm not keeping this on though because I've already got this one altered to be a skirt. Ooh, what's the next one gonna be? What's it gonna be? And it's biscuits and spread. A terrible name, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm keeping this one. Here's the close up. As you can see, it's gorgeous lace detail there. The ribbon running through. A little bit of a close up of the print. The sweet on the biscuit written there. Little bows. It's absolutely gorgeous. And most excitingly, full shearing! Full shearing! Yes, I literally think most people could wear this dress. Like within reason, it's very, very stretchy. It's even got stretchy, oh this is the back, it's even got stretchy straps, so literally I think you can almost be any size and wear this, which is fantastic. Finally, a true plus size dress. Yeah, here's me modelling it. Yeah, and there's my biscuit berry, which is going to coordinate with it really nicely. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye!